What grade engine oil for mild or mixed climates? Climate plays an essential role in your truck's engine performance. In different weather conditions, the viscosity or thickness and chemical composition of your engine oil can either enhance or hinder your truck's engine. A region with mild weather or a mix of seasonal conditions need to select an oil that offers versatility and can handle both cold and hot temperatures. Choosing the right engine oil is a necessity to ensure your truck's engine runs smoothly and lasts longer. This is 2 grade of best oils for changing or unpredictable weather. 5W30. Perfect for areas where the weather shifts between hot and cold, providing stable performance. 10W30. A great choice for moderate climates, offering a good balance between cold start protection and high temperature stability.
Autonomous Fluid System by Antares.